Exploring virtual worlds, inactive worlds, or working with classic RenderWare assets, and need to view RWX models? These are scriptable 3D objects from a legendary game engine era. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these RenderWare 3D model files. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult RWX files, you need a Plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. An RWX file is a 3D model or scene asset used by the RenderWare graphics engine, famously featured in games like Grand Theft Auto. Users typically encounter this file when modding games to alter character models, vehicles, or objects. The primary user intent is to view, edit, or replace these assets. This is a proprietary binary format designed by Criterion Software to be a compact and efficient container for 3D data. It bundles geometry, vertices, texture coordinates, and animation information, optimized for real-time rendering performance on gaming consoles and PCs of its era, balancing visual fidelity with hardware limitations. Your first application to test with RWX should be ZModeler from Zenoza Software. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows shows only high-level details, so reading or editing game data depends on compatible tools. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the RWX file and click Open With. Test ZModeler if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If the RWX file has resisted the previous steps, we need to examine the source. Test the following 3 key failure points to determine the origin of the block. First, opening an RWX viewer. Download a dedicated RWX viewer like AccuTrans 3D or the Active Worlds browser, which natively renders RWX content. Open the RWX file through the application's File menu to display the model with textures applied. These tools provide orbit zoom and inspection tools for examining the 3D geometry in detail. Next, editing as text. Open the RWX file in Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code since the format uses readable script syntax. Edit vertex coordinates, triangle definitions, and material assignments directly. The script-based nature makes RWX uniquely accessible for manual modification compared to binary 3D formats. Save changes and reload in a viewer to verify edits. Finally, converting to modern formats. Use AccuTrans 3D or Polytrans to convert RWX files into modern formats like OBJ-FBX or GLTF. Load the RWX file into the converter, then export to your desired target format. The converted file works in current 3D applications like Blender Maya or Unity for continued use of legacy RenderWare assets. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.